Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in course. Our company has various equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we modernized and began replacing outdated and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 15 years, and I know all the technological processes in the company very well. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one myself, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. Plans for modernization included the purchase of a blistering machine, which is used for automatic formation of cellular packaging from PVC roll material. The machine automatically fills the cells with tablets. After filling the cells, the equipment seals the surface of the blisters with aluminum foil. The main effect on the coating of tablets is moisture. Being in an individual cell of the blister, the tablet is protected as much as possible. Blister machine we had was constantly being repaired, did not provide the necessary performance and sealing of the tablets. Since I have already chosen many different machines for our company, I have extensive experience in the selection and remain the contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I began by telephone contacting the manufacturers and find out whether they could produce a blister machine. As the main criteria indicated automatic control, high-quality stainless steel equipment material, the production capacity of 3,000 blisters per hour. The blister machine should provide blister packaging of tablets and capsules as well. I first contacted a company in Germany, which offered me automatic equipment for packaging pills and capsules into aluminum blisters, but she specified that the entire process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment is not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture a blister machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer of automatic equipment for packaging tablets into blisters, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched on the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience delivering equipment from a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no documents for installation or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received from them in the mail 10 variants of various blister machines, and an offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they have no professional approach, and I will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, third intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the forms and preparations for filling the blister, told me about the terms of delivery. At the consultation stage, he suggested an automatic machine for packing tablets and gelatin capsules into PVC blisters, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the company management. The machine was acceptable in characteristics and price. We installed the machine. The machine is made of stainless steel. Working it is covered with plastic shields to prevent external factors from affecting the process. It was controlled by means of an LCD screen. We were pleased with the offered option of equipment, although initially I was skeptical of the manager's choice. However, practice has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, the advice of a specialist will accelerate the solution of the problem and free up time to be spent with benefit to yourself.